ready?
Yes.
Good deal.
May the Lord bless this flight.
And amen to that. There's 80. Flaps up. Still in sight.
Traffic. 6 o'clock. Low. Less than a mile.
Are we just literally following his run?
That's how we were just following him. They told me to follow him.
Dude, I really think you need to get your seaplane license.
I would love to. You can't rent those. So I would only be able to fly it by myself. Or not by myself, but with an instructor.
Got it. Yeah.
A bush, dude.
You just need to make enough friends, you know?
Or buy one.
Parking me out from underground.
Parking me out from underground, go to HOS.
The mountains have been looking beautiful as of lately.
I'm gonna go fly over. What I did with the robo.
Is it actually?
Yeah, I flew like right in there.
That's
And we
awesome.
just flew around the canyon.
That's so cool.
Gonna do that?
If you want, I'm game for whatever. I mean, the mountains would be awesome to see, but so would everything else, so you know. Oh, wow.
I'm just glad you're getting some good pictures.
Clear, touch go.
Because of the prop syncing with your shutter speed. That's why.
Yeah, it's just kind of cool.
Glad.
Wind tower says that 271 over Romeo, runway 34, man, I'm working.
271 Romeo, right tower, roger, hold short, runway 34 for landing traffic.
Hold short 341 Romeo.
Alright, here we go, flight number 2.
Bougie.
Here we go, Doc.
I'll give you one for my camera.
American Tower, Cessna 1732 Alpha with information Juliet is about 6 miles from south of Lake Young. Looking for the pattern at 2,500.
1732 Alpha, right tower, runway 34, make straight in, runway 34, port valley medical.
Make straight in runway 34, did not copy report.
Report valley medical.
Report, this medical. 32 Alpha.
Okay. Let's do it over here. I don't want to do it on the way back because it'll probably be dark and we'll probably miss our opportunity, but...
Right. Well, how often does your mom go flying with you nowadays?
Oh, never.
Just because she doesn't really want to, or is it because you don't really want her to, or...
I can't tell you the number of invites I've given to that lady.
She did used to go up with you quite a bit, didn't
No.
she? No?
I think, what, 4 or 5 times total?
Okay.
It's a little bit more than you.
What you're saying is me and your mom need to start a competition?
Hey, you've already got one going on.
What lake is this? I don't even know.
Lake Young.
Nice.
And I believe the one that's further south is Lake Taps.
Got it.
Or maybe not. But this is Lake Young. Looks fun, doesn't it?
It does.
Not a lot of houses on it, though.
Yeah.
Isn't Isn't this like Maple Valley?
Traffic. 9 o'clock. High, 1 mile.
Runway 34, clear for takeoff, right close traffic.
Yeah.
Ghost.
Let's take off 1014, 110, yeah.
Amazing how much water there is in this area.
Oh yeah, betcha. Oh, I've got him.
Red Tower, Cessna 97 Papa Delta, can we get a short approach, long landing, and a full stop?
497 Papa Delta, roger, plan on that.
Thanks, sir.
Dude, we're headed directly toward the mountains.
Dude, these people still have snow in their yard. That's crazy. Wasn't it like 70 degrees? No, it was like 60, 65 today?
Oh, it got up to like 70. Well, yeah, 68, something like that.
Yeah, that's crazy.
When we took off, it was 16, 21.1, and 70.
Wow.
And it's cooled down quite a bit. I bet you if we open this now, you get some cold air. Or maybe not. I'm better without it.
Ain't no thing.
Yikes.
Step up Delta, runway 34.
Gonna cut that gap.
Approach, long landing, full stop, approved.
Short, long, and
What was that?
Gonna cut that gap.
Sure.
Port 405, 3 Alpha.
Caution terrain. Caution
Is that a-
terrain.
Paraglider?
Caution terrain.
Where?
Caution terrain.
Oh, wow, yeah. That's amazing.
Caution terrain. Caution terrain. Caution terrain. Caution terrain.
What do you think, bro?
Beautiful, man. I definitely like flying in the day way more than at night.
Oh, yeah? I mean, it's got its benefits, I guess. I just hope there's no wires connecting those towers.
2 Alpha,
For 32 Alpha, runway 34, clear to go.
Third Alpha, runway 34, 3 Alpha.
So for this kind of a flight, do you ever put your phone on airplane mode?
I never put my phone on airplane mode for any kind of a flight. But then again, I'm the pilot, so I use my phone.
Caution terrain. Caution terrain ahead. Pull up. Terrain ahead. Pull up. Terrain ahead. Pull up. Terrain ahead.
Oh, that's
Pull
kind of
up.
obnoxious.
Terrain.
Thanks.
Pull up. Pull up. Terrain.
Apparently there's no way
Pull
to turn
up.
it off.
Pull up. Terrain. Pull up. Pull up. Terrain ahead. Pull up. Terrain ahead. Pull up.
Almost like a song. Terrain, pull up, terrain, pull up.
I think I turned it off.
Dude, look at you. That's awesome.
There's snow.
Dude, how awesome would
500.
like flying just like in different parts of the world be?
If it's clear and the weather's nice like it is today.
So is this I-90 then right here?
You know, I really don't know. I think it is. Yeah, it is. Look.
Okay.
Those wires? The
Yeah.
wires above us. We're gonna follow that clearing.
Right.
It's beautiful, dude.
That is beautiful. It's amazing. Just set up my little cabin right there.
Dude, I would do it except for those power lines.
Yeah, you'd hear buzzing all day long.
Giving you some cancer.
Seriously.
What do you think, bro?
Beautiful, man. So beautiful.
We're not even seeing any snow.
What are you talking about? There's snow everywhere.
Not really. When I did it with Robo, it was like snow, like legitimate snow.
When was that? That was just this last Sunday?
The 10th.
Okay.
About a week ago.
Yeah.
What do you say? You want to turn into that valley? See if we can make some nonsense?
Sure, man. Let's do it. Have you ever had any interference or issues with birds?
Oh, yeah.
Ever had one hit the prop?
Ever had one hit me?
Well, that is a blessing.
Yes, sir.
So what exactly happens if you're flying, as a commercial jetliner and a bird gets sucked into the engine?
Well, it'll probably kill it.
Well, obviously the bird's going to die.
Well, it'll probably kill the engine.
Is that recorded very much as actually happening, or is that pretty rare? I'm assuming it's rare.
Light on the Hudson. Circle on the Hudson.
Yeah.
Which valley do you want?
Go left, huh?
Gonna go left?
Sure.
Okay.
That's crazy. So when you're up here and you're looking down and you're looking at these houses and they're tiny and people are tiny, you can't even hardly see people. I
don't even look for people.
Right. You kind of feel above it all. But imagine how God feels when he holds the earth in his hand.
And yet to still care about each and every one of us.
Yeah, it's not humanly possible to care about that many unique individuals, but it is godly possible.
Look at this, dude.
Dude, that is
Noel.
flippin' amazing. Oh my word.
How hard do you think it would be to get here?
What do you mean get here? You mean drive?
Actually get, stand there.
Decently hard. I've bushwhacked through this kind of territory before, and it's not fun, let me tell you.
Oh, yeah?
But the more trees there are, the less bushes there are, and so therefore it's easier to go. And there's a lot of trees here, so...
I got you.
Yeah, dude, this is beautiful.
I'm glad you're enjoying it, man.
Yeah.
But you let me know when you want to go get some of that food.
Okay. Wanted to do I don't know, a few more minutes up this valley and then we can flip it around.
Oh, yeah.
I don't want to...
Oh, dude. Look at this lake, bro. A river. Isn't that sick?
That is sick. Wow.
Maneuverable, huh?
Yeah. Amazing. Man, I don't know why you'd go at
500.
night. I don't know why you'd go at night if it looks like this, man. This is just amazing. Honestly,
Convenient.
this is what makes me want to fly.
Well, I'm glad we can make it happen. Look down. Yeah.
500.
That right there, that's what I wanted you to see. That's snow.
Yeah, dude, that's amazing.
Altitude. $500.
Don't start getting sick on me there, Logan. I'm just messing with you. You didn't tell me though, right?
Yeah. I'm definitely not used to that. So, dude, but after this roller coaster I did in Egypt, I never, ever want to do anything like that again.
Okay.
That thing, literally, I thought I was gonna die.
Oh, it's because you're in Egypt, and there's no standards there for safety.
Right, dude. I seriously felt like I was going at terminal velocity, going around in a circle. I was like, I'm gonna die in about 0.5 seconds.
Altitude
Awesome.
500.
Because kind of that drop you get in your stomach when you lose altitude.
500.
Like when you go. Yeah. It was like that, but like times 10. It was just, oh.
I could give you times 10.
No thanks. I'm really okay.
Okay, good.
I mean, if we start falling, yeah, I'd love you to save us, but you know.
I mean, that's gonna make us fall, not the opposite.
Right. Honestly, you know, it's weird, but trees are like one of the most beautiful things to me. I think it's just growing up in this part of Washington, you know?
Okay. I could not take this thing to Florida because that heat, oh, that's a no.
Yeah, that's a big no.
Well, I want you to see this, dude. .60-degree bank steep turn. Look at this. Look at this river, dude.
That is amazing, dude. Oh, dude, that's a money picture right there. It's like that, you know, that kind of teal turquoise blue. Oh, man.
Preserve.
Not gonna lie, I kind of want to go kayaking now.
Oh,
dude.
I don't have a kayak, but I have a boat.
Right. Would you ever go kayaking, or do you just prefer the boat?
I mean, I guess I could.
My mom's got a couple of kayaks. If you ever want to go in the summer.
Huh? You want to?
Yeah, we totally should. There's that slough down, you know, right off of Lake Washington.
I've been in there so many times, I can't even tell you.
Yeah, well, we could go somewhere else, too, but...
I mean, we're not going to get lost.
One way in, one way out. I mean, 5 miles an hour speed limit, you know?
You'd probably be keeping up with the boats.
Yeah, I could probably break 5 in a kayak.
Probably could.
10 miles an hour just cooking, just...
You'll be pulling me. Is it one of those, like, pedal kayaks?
No, it's just a basic kayak with
With a paddle?
Yeah.
I gotcha.
They have these new kayaks that they make out of, like, origami kayaks, they call them. So they're made out of, like, really lightweight fiberglass, so you can fold them up to where they can fit inside a backpack. So you can go backpacking, get up to this lake in the middle of the mountain.
That's trippy.
And unfold your origami kayak.
Wow.
And just go out on the lake.
I mean, I've heard of, like, fold-a-boats before, but that's pretty cool.
Yeah.